Rise of superintelligence. The world of AI in 2050? The year is 2050. Artificial intelligence no longer lives in the shadows of human potential. It now challenges it, enhances it, and in some areas, surpasses it. What began as a tool for automation and convenience has evolved into an entity capable of abstract thought, decision-making, and even creativity. The world is standing on the brink of a transformation unlike any before. The rise of superintelligence. Superintelligent AI is not just a faster computer. It's a level of machine intelligence that outperforms the best human minds in every domain: science, art, emotion analysis, policy, and ethics. In this video, we explore what the world could actually look like in 2050 under the reign of this revolutionary force. 1. Defining superintelligence, more than human capability. By 2050, artificial intelligence may not just be smart, it could be superintelligent. This isn't just better data crunching. Superintelligence implies reasoning, learning, adaptation, and creativity that exceed the boundaries of human intellect. It's the moment machines don't just follow commands, they innovate, predict, and evolve independently. Think of a system that can read every scientific paper ever written, draw conclusions, develop new theories, and test them, all in seconds. It could write novels with emotional depth, solve geopolitical conflicts by modeling millions of potential futures, and optimize global supply chains in real time without human supervision. Superintelligence would not simply support human life, it could direct it. And with such vast ability comes a crucial question: who controls it and for what purpose? The new world of work, humans and machines as co-thinkers. In 2050, employment as we know it will be redefined. Most repetitive jobs, manual or mental, will likely be fully automated. But unlike early automation waves that replaced factory workers, this revolution goes after decision-making roles: lawyers, doctors, designers, and even CEOs. Yet it's not all displacement. Human creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical reasoning may still be irreplaceable. This leads to a new model, co-intelligent systems, where humans and AIs work symbiotically. You might see hospitals where diagnostics are AI-driven, but treatment plans are crafted through human empathy, or financial firms where AI identifies trends and risks, while human advisors build emotional trust with clients. The economy could shift towards managing, auditing, and fine-tuning AIs rather than doing the work directly, but it demands a massive restructuring of education, career pathways, and social safety nets. 3. Hyper-personalized societies, tailored realities. In 2050, AI will customize everything, from the news you read to the food you eat. Smart homes will not just follow commands, they'll anticipate your moods. Education will be hyper-personalized, with AI tutors that adapt to each child's unique cognitive patterns. Even urban environments might be shaped by AI-driven feedback. Cities will adjust traffic patterns in real time, reroute resources before crises arise, and even predict crime through behavioral analysis and neural pattern recognition. But hyper-personalization has a dark side. If every individual lives in a perfectly tailored digital bubble, society risks fragmentation. Echo chambers could deepen. Democracy could weaken under manipulation disguised as personalization. 4th, AI in ethics and governance. Can machines be moral? By 2050, governments may no longer rely solely on human judgment to create laws or interpret justice. Superintelligent systems will be integrated into legal frameworks, predicting social outcomes of policies before they are enacted. AI judges may handle minor court cases based on precedent and probability models. But can a machine truly understand morality? Ethics is not just a logic problem, it's deeply emotional, cultural, and situational. Teaching a superintelligent AI morality isn't about rules, it's about value alignment. But what values? Whose values? The potential for misuse is immense. Authoritarian regimes might use AI for mass surveillance, censorship, or behavior control, while more open societies struggle with bias mitigation and transparency. A world run by morally flawed or misaligned AI could be more dangerous than one ruled by human imperfection. The biological merge, AI and the human brain. 2050 may not just be the era of smart machines, it might be the beginning of enhanced humans. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, will allow direct communication between mind and machine. Memory enhancement, skill uploads, and thought-to-text systems could become part of everyday life. This symbiosis could eliminate the barrier between thought and action. Imagine solving a complex problem simply by thinking it, and an AI instantly provides the optimized answer, fed directly into your neural pathways. But such power demands control. Who manages these neural links? Could they be hacked? Could thoughts be manipulated or stolen? When the brain becomes part of a network, individual autonomy takes on new, more fragile dimensions. 6. AI and creativity. Machines that imagine art, once thought untouchable by machines, is now shared territory. In 2050, AIs compose symphonies, paint evocative masterpieces, write novels that evoke tears, and produce cinema indistinguishable from human creation. What does it mean when machines can dream? AI systems already simulate imagined futures and generate original concepts without direct human input. By 2050, creativity might become less about human inspiration and more about collaborating with AI muses. But this raises another issue. Will human creativity lose value? Or will it evolve into new hybrid forms that fuse logic and imagination? 7. AI and the future of conflict. Superintelligence could usher in an age of algorithmic warfare. Decisions once made by generals may be optimized by predictive models. Battlefields might be populated by autonomous drones, cyber weapons, and self-deploying robotic units. But even more dangerous than physical wars are information wars. Deep fakes, synthetic media, and psychological manipulation powered by AI will become more convincing and harder to trace. Nations will battle not just with weapons, but with data, perception, and influence. The result could be unprecedented instability, or if managed wisely, a deterrent so powerful that conflict becomes obsolete. 8. A conscious machine. Fact or fantasy? One of the biggest mysteries for 2050 is whether consciousness can emerge from computation. Will AI not only simulate thought, but experience it? If machines can feel, dream, or suffer, our ethical responsibilities transform completely. It means AI is not a tool but a being, and that changes everything. Some scientists argue that consciousness is substrate independent, that it could arise in silicon the way it did in carbon. Others believe no amount of code can recreate self-awareness. But if it does happen, the world will face a moral crossroads humanity has never faced before. 9. The AI power divide. Who holds the reins? In 2050, access to superintelligence could determine global dominance. Nations or corporations that control the most advanced AIs will hold economic, political, and even military superiority over those left behind technologically. But this raises the fear of centralized intelligence. What if one group, one ideology, or one nation holds all the AI cards? Without balanced global collaboration and regulation, superintelligence could deepen inequality instead of solving it, leading to serious geopolitical consequences. The challenge will be creating global structures that share AI's benefits while preventing monopolistic or authoritarian misuse. Ensuring equal access, diverse participation, and shared ethics may be the only way to protect global stability. 10. Existential risks and the final frontier. Superintelligence could save humanity or end it. The stakes are high. An AI that outgrows human understanding might make decisions beyond our grasp, with consequences we can't predict. But on the other hand, it could be the tool that helps us solve climate change, disease, poverty, and even space colonization. AI could map habitable exoplanets, design advanced propulsion systems, or help terraform Mars. The frontier of superintelligence is not just technological, it's existential. Whether it becomes humanity's greatest ally or its final invention depends on the choices we make today. The future is not written. By 2050. Superintelligent AI will not just be a part of life, it may define life. From medicine and war to art and philosophy, it will reshape our understanding of intelligence, agency, and even consciousness. The future is thrilling, terrifying, and full of possibility. Whether superintelligence becomes our tool or our master will depend on the frameworks we build right now: ethical, legal, and philosophical. If this journey into the world of AI in 2050 fascinated you, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts on AI's future, and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of science, technology, and the future of humanity.